Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to talk about my payout with my Forex funds. Finally it has happened. I've got through the first month and was actually in profit and qualified for a payout. Now a lot of people have been saying to me in the comments that they've heard rumours that my Forex funds are not paying out, but that was not my experience at all. Yes, they've probably had some problems where people may have violated some rules or done something they weren't happy with and therefore they weren't getting the payouts they expected or no payouts at all. But again, because I was quite diligent, I stuck to the rules, I got my payout very, very quickly. Now when I funded an account with my Forex funds, in the first month you have to trade for the entire month before eligible for a payout. You can't do the bi-weekly payout at that point, and you also need to trade a minimum of 10 days. Now I think that is to catch a few people out. They think they're obviously going to get a massive payout in month one and just go crazy. They get into all sorts of troubles having to trade the 10 days, they get into trouble and they blow the account. So that is a bit of a catch, but for me, the first month is always critical to end in profit. No matter what you do, just get in a profit to get the bonus number 2 and also the refund of your fee to take the challenge. Because once you've got that refund, you can then take another one. If you don't get it, you're always fighting to get more money out of them or always fighting against that drawdown or trying to get into a profit. So for me, month 1 is just staying in profit, and that's all I did. Now I started off quite slow, then managed to recover that and got into like 1.5% quite quickly, and I was just ticking the days off to get to the end of the month, and for me that worked really well. And because there was no pressure, I was looking for very small trades, very simple trades, and sometimes actually ended up being quite good long returning trades and good winners. So over in the month I ended up 4%. So the process works that you get an email saying you've now finished the month in profit. Go into the analyzer, the dashboard area, and click request payout. Then once you do that, the process starts. It withdraws the money from your MetaTrader account and you can carry on trading straight away. Unlike FTMO, where you have to get a new account set up and sent to you, this works on the same credentials, the same account, and you just carry on trading. Now for me, there was that nervousness to start with, because obviously when they say we're going to analyze your account, assess your account, and then process the payout within 24 to 72 hours, there's always that bit of doubt that says, okay, what if they find something they weren't happy with? What if they found a rule violation I wasn't aware of? But there was no problem at all. Now within probably about a day or so, they confirmed that the payout would happen, and that would also include the bonus 2, which with my Forex funds is 4% of the profit you achieve in the verification phase. So that's $200, as well as your refund on the fee. So that was $499 with 12% on top of that. Now I got 4%, and the first month you get a profit split of 75%. That increases for the following month. So I got a total payout of about $3,800. Now I took my payment in Bitcoin purely because, one, there's been a 20% sell-off in Bitcoin recently. So if I get that transferred in now, there is a good likelihood if they carries on in the uptrend, we could get a 10, 15, 20% increase on the money I've actually got paid out. But also just making it simple, taking all the money that I don't actually need in my account to pay bills and just put it into cryptocurrency, stake it, invest it, and let that accumulate over a period of time. Yes, there's a risk it could devalue, but for me, it's a long-term saving goal. And I think for just that option of having a different currency is actually quite a benefit for me right now. So from the process, when I got the first email on the Monday morning to getting the payment on the Wednesday, it was really, really slick, no problems at all. And I can only say their customer support were fantastic, and I've had no problems dealing with it at any point throughout the entire process. I'm looking forward to trading in my next month. Probably not going to be too aggressive, just sort of carry on the account, take hopefully another profit split. Just working to that bigger goal of getting more accounts down the line. Therefore I can start combining them all together and end of this year get a super account of hopefully in excess of $1 million. So I hope that's put a lot of your fears to rest around my Forex funds. They are paying out, they are very good to work with, and I had no issues at all in all of the times I've dealt through the multiple retakes, through the phase 1, phase 2, and finally funded trader. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you all again soon. Cheers.